In the twilight of the world's tropical forests, a silent forager emerges, the Cuniculus Paca, known simply as the lowland paca. Revered for its elusive nature and distinctive appearance, the paca plays a vital role in the ecosystem. Join us as we delve into the life of this remarkable rodent, exploring its evolutionary history, ecological significance, and the challenges it confronts. Deep in the lush forests of Central and South America, a fascinating nocturnal creature roams the forest floor. Known scientifically as Cuniculus Paca, and commonly called the lowland paca or simply paca, this large rodent plays a crucial role in its ecosystem and holds significant cultural importance for many indigenous communities. Despite its elusive nature, the paca has captured the attention of scientists and nature enthusiasts alike, offering a window into the rich biodiversity of neotropical forests. Cuniculus paca is the sole extant species in its genus, representing a unique lineage of rodents that has evolved over millions of years. These stocky, spotted mammals are masterful foragers, expert swimmers, and key players in seed dispersal throughout their range. Their presence in an ecosystem is often indicative of forest health and biodiversity. As we embark on this exploration of the paca's world, we'll uncover the evolutionary journey that shaped this remarkable species, examine its distinctive physical features, delve into its ecological significance, and observe its intriguing behaviors. From its role in forest dynamics to its interactions with human communities, the story of Cuniculus Paca is one of adaptation, resilience, and the intricate connections that sustain tropical ecosystems. Evolutionary history. The evolutionary history of Cuniculus Paca is a tale that spans millions of years, rooted in the ancient origins of rodents in South America. The paca belongs to the suborder Hystricomorpha, a diverse group of rodents that includes guinea pigs, chinchillas, and capybaras. This suborder is thought to have originated in Africa and arrived in South America around 41 million years ago, during the Eocene epoch. The family Cuniculidae, to which the paca belongs, diverged from its closest relatives approximately 35 million years ago. This family was once more diverse, with several genera and species spread across South and Central America. However, Cuniculus Paca is now the only surviving member of its genus and family. Fossil evidence suggests that the ancestors of modern pacas were more widely distributed across the Americas. Fossils of extinct paca species have been found as far north as Florida, indicating a much broader range in the past. Climate changes and competition with other species likely contributed to the contraction of their range to their current distribution in Central and South America. The genus Cuniculus is estimated to have emerged around 15 to 20 million years ago, during the Miocene epoch. This period saw significant environmental changes in South America, including the uplift of the Andes Mountains and the formation of the Amazon basin. These geological events likely played a crucial role in shaping the evolution of the paca and other neotropical species. Interestingly, genetic studies have revealed that despite its wide distribution, Cuniculus Paca shows relatively low genetic diversity across its range. This suggests that the species may have undergone population bottlenecks in the recent past, possibly due to climatic fluctuations during the Pleistocene ice ages. The paca's unique adaptations, such as its ability to swim and its specialized digestive system, are the result of millions of years of evolution in response to the challenges and opportunities presented by neotropical forest environments. These adaptations have allowed the paca to occupy a specific ecological niche and thrive in a variety of forest habitats. Morphological description. Cuniculus paca is a large rodent with a distinctive appearance that sets it apart from other mammals in its range. Adult pacas typically measure between 60 to 80 centimeters, 24 to 31 inches, in body length, with a short, vestigial tail of only 1 to 3 centimeters. They weigh between 6 to 12 kilograms, 13 to 26 pounds, making them one of the largest rodents in the neotropics, second only to the capybara. The paca's body is stout and compact, with short, sturdy legs adapted for both terrestrial locomotion and swimming. Their feet are equipped with strong claws, which they use for digging and foraging. The hind feet have 4 toes, while the fore feet have 5, with the first toe being reduced. One of the most striking features of the paca is its coat pattern. The fur is short and coarse, with a base color ranging from dark brown to black. Along the sides of the body are 3 to 5 rows of white spots or stripes, creating a distinctive spotted pattern that provides excellent camouflage in the dappled light of the forest floor. The paca's head is large and broad, with small, rounded ears and large, dark eyes adapted for nocturnal vision. Their eyes have a reflective layer called the tapetum lucidum, which enhances their night vision by reflecting light back through the retina. This gives their eyes a distinctive green eye shine when illuminated at night. A unique morphological feature of the paca is its enlarged cheekbones and zygomatic arches. These bony structures create hollow chambers on either side of the face, which are thought to amplify vocalizations and possibly play a role in thermoregulation. This adaptation gives the paca's skull a distinctive appearance and has earned it the nickname trumpet head in some regions. The paca's dentition is typical of rodents, with a pair of ever-growing incisors in both the upper and lower jaws. These incisors are strong and sharp, capable of cracking open hard nuts and seeds. Behind the incisors is a gap called the diastema, followed by cheek teeth adapted for grinding plant material. Internally, the paca has several adaptations for its herbivorous diet. Its stomach is complex, divided into chambers that aid in the digestion of tough plant material. The cecum, a pouch at the junction of the small and large intestines, is enlarged and hosts beneficial bacteria that help break down cellulose. Male and female pacas are similar in appearance, with little sexual dimorphism. However, males tend to be slightly larger than females on average. Ecology. Cuniculus Paca plays a vital role in the ecology of neotropical forests, functioning as both a consumer and a seed disperser. Its ecological importance extends across various forest types, from lowland rainforests to montane cloud forests. As herbivores, pacas primarily feed on fruits, seeds, and leaves. Their diet includes a wide variety of plant species, with a particular preference for fallen fruits. This dietary flexibility allows them to adapt to seasonal changes in food availability. Some of the fruits commonly consumed by pacas include those from palm trees, figs, and various hardwood species. One of the most significant ecological functions of the paca is seed dispersal. As they forage, pacas may carry fruits away from parent trees before consuming them. Seeds that pass through their digestive system are often still viable and may be deposited far from the parent plant. This process, known as endozookery, plays a crucial role in forest regeneration and maintaining plant diversity. Pacas are also known to practice scatter hoarding, where they bury seeds for later consumption. While many of these cached seeds are eventually eaten, some may germinate if forgotten, further contributing to forest regeneration. This behavior is particularly important for large-seeded tree species that rely on animal dispersers. In the food web, pacas serve as prey for various predators, including jaguars, pumas, ocelots, and large snakes like the boa constrictor. Their presence in an ecosystem can support populations of these predator species. The remains of their meals and their droppings also contribute to nutrient cycling in the forest. Pacas have complex interactions with other species in their habitat. They may compete with other frugivorous mammals like agoutis and coatis for food resources. However, their nocturnal habits and ability to crack open harder fruits allow them to occupy a slightly different niche. The burrowing behavior of pacas also contributes to soil aeration and mixing, which can benefit plant growth and soil ecosystem health. Their burrows may be used by other animals when abandoned, providing shelter for a variety of forest creatures. Interestingly, pacas have a mutualistic relationship with some fruit-producing trees. By consuming and dispersing seeds, they help ensure the continued reproduction of these tree species, which in turn provide a reliable food source for the pacas. Habitat and behavior. Cuniculus paca is found in a variety of forest habitats across its range, which extends from east-central Mexico through Central America and into northern Argentina. They prefer areas with dense vegetation and proximity to water sources, inhabiting tropical and subtropical forests, including rainforests, deciduous forests, and cloud forests. Pacas are primarily nocturnal, spending the daylight hours resting in burrows or hollow logs. These burrows are often complex structures with multiple entrances and chambers, providing protection from predators and extreme weather. Pacas are known to disguise the entrances to their burrows with leaves, enhancing their camouflage. As night falls, pacas emerge to forage. They have well-developed spatial memory and often follow regular paths through their territory. While foraging, they move with a distinctive gait, alternating between walking and short hops. When startled, they can run quickly and are excellent swimmers, often diving into water to escape predators. Pacas are generally solitary animals, with adults maintaining individual territories. However, they are not strictly antisocial and may tolerate the presence of other pacas, particularly during the breeding season. Communication between pacas involves a variety of vocalizations, including whistles, growls, and tooth chattering, as well as scent marking. The breeding behavior of pacas is not well understood due to their secretive nature. They are thought to be monogamous, with pairs possibly remaining together for multiple breeding seasons. Female pacas typically give birth to a single offspring after a gestation period of about 115 to 120 days. Unlike many rodents, pacas have a low reproductive rate, with females usually producing only 1 or 2 litters per year. Paca young are precocial, born with fur and open eyes. They can walk shortly after birth but remain in the burrow for several weeks, nursed and protected by the mother. This extended parental care is unusual among rodents and reflects the paca's K-selected life history strategy, characterized by fewer offspring but greater parental investment. One of the most intriguing behaviors of pacas is their feeding technique. They use their strong jaws and teeth to crack open hard fruits and nuts that other animals cannot access. This ability allows them to exploit food resources that are unavailable to many other forest dwellers. Pacas exhibit some degree of behavioral plasticity, adapting to human presence in certain areas. In some regions, they have been known to raid agricultural crops, particularly those adjacent to forest areas. This has led to conflict with farmers in some parts of their range. Interestingly, pacas have been observed using specific sites within their territory as latrines. This behavior may play a role in territory marking and communication with other pacas. Conclusion. Cuniculus Paca, the lowland paca, emerges from our exploration as a fascinating and ecologically significant species that embodies the complexity and interconnectedness of neotropical forest ecosystems. From its ancient evolutionary origins to its contemporary role in forest dynamics, the paca's story is one of adaptation, resilience, and ecological importance. The paca's unique morphological features, including its distinctive spotted coat and specialized skull structure, reflect millions of years of evolution in response to the challenges and opportunities presented by its forest habitat. These adaptations have allowed the paca to occupy a specific ecological niche, thriving as both a consumer of fruits and seeds and a crucial disperser of plant genetic material. As we've seen, the ecological role of the paca extends far beyond its immediate feeding habits. Through seed dispersal and soil disturbance, pacas contribute to forest regeneration and maintenance of biodiversity. Their presence in an ecosystem can be indicative of forest health and integrity, making them potential indicator species for conservation efforts. However, like many species in the neotropics, pacas face numerous threats in the modern world. Habitat loss due to deforestation and agricultural expansion poses a significant challenge to paca populations. Additionally, overhunting for their prized meat has led to local extinctions in some areas. Climate change also looms as a potential threat, potentially altering the distribution of food resources and suitable habitats. Conservation efforts for the paca must take into account not only the species itself but also the broader ecosystem it inhabits. Protecting large tracts of intact forest, establishing wildlife corridors, and promoting sustainable hunting practices are all crucial steps in ensuring the long-term survival of paca populations. The story of Cuniculus Paca also highlights the intricate relationships between wildlife and human communities in the neotropics. For many indigenous and rural communities, the paca is not only an important food source but also a creature of cultural significance, featuring in folklore and traditional ecological knowledge. Balancing conservation needs with these cultural and subsistence uses presents both challenges and opportunities for sustainable management. As we conclude our journey into the world of the paca, we are reminded of the incredible biodiversity that exists in our world's tropical forests. Species like Cuniculus Paca, often overlooked in favor of more charismatic megafauna, play vital roles in maintaining the health and function of these ecosystems. By studying and appreciating these remarkable creatures, we gain a deeper understanding of the complex web of life that sustains our planet's biodiversity hotspots. The paca's story is far from over. As research continues and our understanding deepens, this nocturnal forest dweller will undoubtedly continue to reveal new secrets about its biology, behavior, and ecological relationships. In doing so, it will continue to highlight the importance of preserving and studying the rich tapestry of life in our world's tropical forests.